Why most beginners stay stuck after posting content, and the simple fix. If you've been posting content consistently, videos, shorts, reels, but nothing is really changing, that is no income, no momentum, no clarity, this video is for you. Because the truth is, most beginners are not stuck because they are lazy, they are stuck because they are missing one simple thing. And once you understand it, everything you are doing online finally starts to make sense. Let me explain. Section number one, the illusion of progress. Here's what most beginners experience. They post content, they get a few likes, sometimes a few comments, occasionally a spike in views. But weeks pass, months pass, and nothing really changes. There is no system, no leads, no income. And the worst part, they feel productive, but they are not progressing. This is what I call activity without direction. Posting alone feels like growth, but it's not. Section 2. Why content alone is not a problem. Here's the uncomfortable truth. Content is not meant to make you money directly. Content has one main job, and that is to move people to the next step. If your videos don't clearly lead somewhere, if viewers don't know what to do next, if there is no structure behind your post, then even 10,000 views won't change your life. This is why so many beginners burn out. They keep producing, but nothing compounds. Section number 3. The simple fix most people ignore. The fix is not about more motivation, more posting, more platform. The fix is simply a simple system. A system answers 3 questions. Question number 1, what do I talk about? Question number 2, where do I send people? And question number 3, what happens after they click? Once those 3 are clear, content becomes powerful. Your videos stop being noise and start becoming pathways. Section number 4, what a beginner system looks like. A beginner system does not need to be complex. It can be as simple as from contents to free value to follow up, and that's it. Your contents attract attention, your free value builds trust, your follow up nurtures consistency. This is how beginners grow calmly. No pressure, no hype, no confusion. Section number 5, soft funnel bridge. That's exactly why I created the free AI starter kit. Not to sell you anything, but to give you clarity. It shows you 1, what to focus on, 2, how to structure your content, 3, how AI helps you simplify everything. If you are tired of guessing, the link is in the description. Posting content is good. Posting content with direction changes everything. If this helped you, subscribe. More calm, realistic guidance is coming.